This giant has a bite force stronger than a tiger, and claws that can rip through solid wood. This is the grizzly bear, a powerhouse of the wild. Its claws reach 3 to 4 inches, curved like natural blades. One paw swipe can hit with the force of a trained fighter. With 1200 psi of bite force, it can crush bone in seconds. Height, up to 9 feet when standing, towering over most animals. Despite weighing hundreds of kilograms, it can run 48 kilometers per hour, and its nose can detect scents from 20 kilometers away, making hiding impossible. This is a predator you never want to meet. Subscribe for more content.